everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you a recent haul I've done. I actually have like a box full of things, some spoilers, and I thought I would just show you guys what I've picked up recently and what to expect on my channel kind of in the upcoming like months and weeks, because I have purchased more than I should have, and I thought I would just show you guys. So I have been accumulating things from so many different places, and I mean, makeup is such a big hobby for me. It's kind of an addiction, because I thought it would be something that I would stop after a while, but it's not slowed down. But I think in like 2023 I have said to myself that I need to stop buying just pointless rubbish, because every time I'm kind of like, oh, I like the look of this, I like the look of this, I buy it and then it just sits there amongst my other collections and gets forgotten about. But that's one of my resolutions. If you have a makeup resolution this year, let me know, because I will probably try and follow it as well, just because I need to just slow down a little bit. But let's see what we got. So first thing that I picked up, this is in like no particular order, by the way, because I've just picked up whatever I have and just put it in this box. So the first thing that I have that you probably would have seen is the Dark Fantasy palette by Beauty Bay. So I have wanted to try this since it came out a couple of months ago, but I at the time was like, I don't need to try any other new palettes, because I mean, Beauty Bay ones are so damn good. I've never had a bad experience with Beauty Bay palettes, because their shimmers are always absolutely amazing, and even their matte tones are absolutely stunning. And this was on part of their either Christmas sale or their, you know, Black Friday sale, which is continues to go on. Like Beauty Bay always have a sale on, and I got this for like £7.50. So normally I think it's about like £15 if that, which is still super affordable, because this is like 20 shades. Is it 20? Yeah, 20 shades in here. I will be doing like probably a dedicated video to this, because I just can't wait to use it. Also, when I purchased this palette, I picked up the NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Stick. So this has been sold out everywhere, and I find it very odd that all the shops I go to, and even a couple of places here and there, just do not sell it, but Beauty Bay have it in stock, and they have quite a few shades in stock as well. So I got Coral and Deep Peach. So if you guys are new to my channel, I love a lot of blush. Like, blush is my favorite step, and I am just obsessed with wanting to try this, because I try so much NYX. Like, they kindly do send me a lot of stuff sometimes, because I'm part of one of their, like, I'm on their app, so one of their apps where, you know, if you give your opinion and if you do some social media stuff, they send me things. But I picked this up with my own money, because I've wanted to try it for so damn long. Also, which I ordered, which is not here, I picked up one of the Trixie Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, the Heartbreaker palette. I've been obsessed with Trixie at the moment. I've been watching all of their videos on YouTube for the past 3 days. All I do is, when I go on YouTube, is watch Trixie Mattel, because I think they are so bloody funny. Like, I haven't watched Drag Race. Drag Race is not really, I think, a show that I would probably enjoy that much, but I absolutely love makeup. I love like their aesthetic, and I just love how humorous they are. So I've been enjoying their content so much that I picked up one of their palettes, just as my delivery hasn't arrived today, so I'll be doing a dedicated video on that. So what else did I pick up? From Cult Beauty, I picked up this Glow Recipe Fruit Babies collection. So I've been really trying to find what works for my skin, because if you guys haven't seen some of my videos, I do suffer from rosacea, which is a highly pigmented, like, you know, blood vessels on my face, and I have very sensitive skin, so I have to watch what I use. But you know, last year I did pick up, was it the Watermelon PHA and BHA toner? I absolutely loved it, and instead of me buying just another one again, I saw this collection and I thought, you know what, I can try a big selection of things. And it does, I think James Walsh really likes Glow Recipe, so he has rosacea as well. So if someone like him can use it and obviously appreciate it, I thought I would pick it up. I think I got it for, it was like £29, but I had like a voucher that I could use from points that I've been accumulating, because I've been picking up just stuff in random from Cult Beauty. So I use my voucher towards this, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 things, so I'm very excited to do that. I might try and do a dedicated video soon about my skincare routines. If anyone wants to know, if you do suffer from rosacea, if you need any kind of tips or tricks or something. And I'm by no means a pro, but I have had rosacea for like 6-7 years now, so I do know a bit about what works for me. So next, I recently was on TikTok, as I am on TikTok every single day, and Mitchell had a slight sale on his blushes, so I picked up the blush pressed in the shade 90s Nude. I didn't realize how big this box was. Like, I was looking on his TikTok and thinking, okay, maybe it's gonna be like a standard pan. This is massive. Like, this is massive. I only got this for £10, and I think normally this box is so weird in opening. I think on like Beauty Bay they're like £22, and then normally these are maybe £13-14, but I got it for £10, and I was like, you know what, I don't think I'll get £10 deal anywhere again. So I picked it up, and it is a gorgeous like peach, like nude peach tone, and I thought I would try something different for my blushes, because obviously I like to use a variety of different blushes, but I thought this tone just looked really gorgeous. And I mean, this packaging is unnecessarily big. Like, it's so kind of like bulky, but I guess just his aesthetic when it comes to his makeup collection and everything that I've used before, I have really enjoyed, so I am very excited to try this. Okay, next I picked up some things from Be Perfect. So they had, I think they had like a 60% off sale like they always do, and I thought I would pick up a couple of things. So I picked up one of their brushes. This is the BPE08 brush. So I think this is a blending brush, because you can never have too many brushes, because, you know, I do always wash my brushes, I just never have any time for them. So I thought I would buy, like, just try this out, because I mean, it's just one brush, so where can we go wrong? And I also picked up the bronzer finally. I wanted to try this for so long, and I got it for, I think I got it for like £6 or £10 or something, and it's in the shade Sand. So this is the lighter tone, because when I bronze or whatever, or whenever I do, I need the lightest amount, because if I go too deep I look horrible, and I'm pretty sure I wouldn't blend it out properly, because my skills are still developing as they go along. And the last thing I picked up was one of their mini eyeshadow palettes. So this is the Westwater's Compass of Creativity. So this is one where you can connect 3 others, but I just wanted to get one because I don't need to get 4. So this has got blues and purples, so I am looking forward to using this. I think it might be quite similar to this dark fantasy palette, but you know, there's nothing wrong with trying different like shades and different kind of formulas when it comes to palettes. But I've heard very good things about these, so I can't wait to use this. Picked up a couple of things from Boots. So during like New Year's, of course, they had a sale, not to be anything, but I got a sharpener because all my eye pencils, I don't have a sharpener, so they just stay blunt. So I picked this up for like £2, £2-3. I also picked up the Fenty Beauty, I think they're like the 2 mini highlighters. So this was part of their Christmas collection, but I got this for like £10, and it's their Baby Watts. So you do get 2 liquid highlighters. You get one in Hustler Baby 2.0 and Sandy Peach. So I'm looking forward to this. I will do probably like a full face of first impressions, and I will add this in there. I also picked up another KVD Everlasting lipstick in the shade Moonflower. This was on sale, so they actually had quite a few of this, like of these different tones on sale, and I thought I'd pick up one because the formula is so freaking good. And I think they're normally about £22, and I think I got this for like maybe £10 or £12, so absolute bargain. And I went into a Boots store recently because I always have to pick up some things, and I picked up the new lip oil. So this is the collection Lip Spa. I don't know if it's in a flavour or anything, it's just in Red Glow. So I love lip oils because my lips do get very dry at this time of year, and I always need to keep them hydrated. So I'm looking forward to use that. I won't use that in a video, it will just be like an everyday kind of lip oil that I would use. I also picked up some stuff from Elf. So this actually took quite a while to get here because I think they must have just had so many people ordering from them because they had like, again, another 60% off sale, and I think they just sell like things at a really affordable price. So I picked up one of the camo concealers because I have tried this a while ago but I didn't like it and I really want to give it another go. I got it in the shade light sand, so I'm excited to try that. I also picked up again their foundation. So I didn't like their powder foundation, but I did used to like their satin flawless foundation. I got the shade light ivory. I remember back in the day I got the shade snow and it was like white on me and obviously I'm not like white, I have like a kind of like yellow undertones, and I thought I would just give this a go again because it could be really good. I also picked up one of their satin lipsticks, so these are brand new. This is the O Face satin lipstick in the shade No Regrets, so it's a red of course, so I will be using this. I also picked up a few things. I picked up one of their monochromatic multi-sticks, so these have been on their page for ages and I really wanted to give it a go because I know you can put it on the eyes, lips, cheek so it is multi-use, but I think I might just use it as a blush because this seems more of a blush tone for me. I don't like putting products in multiple places on my face. I just find it a bit odd, like I wouldn't put it on my cheeks and then I wouldn't put it on my lips. It's not for me. I also picked up one of their brushes, so this is a highlighter brush. I'm pretty sure I got all of these items individually for under like £4 or £5 each because that's how big their sale was. Yeah, this is a highlighter brush, so I look forward to that. And then the last thing, God, I'm so out of breath, is one of their new primers. So this is the Power Grip with the 4% niacinamide. I think that's how you say it, but this is a baby size just because I thought I still have the full size of the blue Power Grip one and I really want to give this a go. So this is a very cute size, which again will probably take me ages, but I did pick that up as well, so that is what I picked up. So also on my Twitter, I entered like this competition with a brand called Behind Beauty to win a lip oil, and they actually sent it to me all the way from, I think they're either from America or they from Canada. I threw away the address on there, but they kindly sent me their lip oil in the shade Aloe Jelly, and I'm very excited to try this because I was just kind of like, I'm never gonna win. I thought I would just enter anyway, but I love the packaging. It's very the doe foot is very reminiscent of quite a lot of like lip oil, but this I believe is an independent brand, so I'm very excited to try this. Again, I won't use it in a video, but if I might use it just to kind of prep my lips and stuff, then I'll probably use it. I've been buying from Rare Beauty. Finally I have the highlighter. I've had this again for quite a few weeks. I just haven't had a chance to try it on or film because I have been working so much, and on my days off, like, I've just have been busy. But I did pick up the highlighter in the shade Exhilarate, so I got this from the Space NK website because they didn't have it in store just yet. But I'm so excited to try this because she looks so gorgeous. It's a beautiful gold tone, and you know, when it comes to highlighters, like, I love her liquid highlighter, but powder highlighter is where it's at for me, so I'm excited about this. On sale, they had some of their lip souffles, so I got it in the shade Thrilling. So this is a much deeper tone, and I love to wear all variety of lipsticks, so I'm very excited to try this. I think I got this for like maybe £9, so it was on sale. And then as a sample, I managed to get one of their liquid foundation, so you get a primer and then you get a selection of shades. Obviously I'm not these lower shades, but these two I will definitely try. And I did get a sample of something else. I don't know if it's in my box, I just have to check. Yes, I also got a sample of the Sunday Riley autocorrect brightening and depuffing contour cream, no, eye contour cream. So yeah, I'm just gonna, I mean, I've never purchased anything from Sunday Riley before, but it was a sample that I could get, so no harm in trying that. I hope it doesn't affect my skin, but I'm sure it's perfectly fine. So this is a couple of other things I got. This is like quite miscellaneous. But I also picked up from MAC, I picked up one of their Pro Matte lipsticks. So this is in the shade Carnivos, I don't know, but I've never tried their liquid lipsticks before, and I was, again, I've had this before Christmas, but I wanted to like try it and treat myself, so I picked up one. And then I picked up one of their setting sprays, because where I was, I thought these had been sold out for ages, but they had these and I picked one up, so I'm looking forward to trying that. I also picked up a random sleek blush because I've never tried them before, and I think I picked this up from a Boots and it was about £4, and I thought, you know what, let's try it. I've never tried it before. I also picked up the e.l.f. Setting All Night Mist, but I got this from Boots. I didn't pick it up from their website. That's probably why I'm showing it separately. But so many people have been raving about this, and it's definitely on my try list, so I hope it works because I'll be using it when I go to work. And then the last thing, I'm out of breath, the thing that I actually picked up a mystery box from Beauty Crop in December. So I believe it was about £25, and the value of it was like £75. And I love Beauty Crop. They always have such amazing products. So what I got in this box, I was very happy. So the first thing I got was the Better Late Than Never box set. So this is an eyeshadow palette, Espresso Your Love, one of my favorite palettes by them. It's so good. Their mascara, they got the Wing Woman eyeliner, which I really like, and then a creme brulee lipstick. I don't know if I have that shade already, but I have all of these apart from the mascara, but I will be using this soon because I cannot wait to try it. I also got another eyeliner. I don't know if this is the same shade as the one that I got previously, but I absolutely loved that eyeliner, and it is one of my favorite liners. I think it is the same shade. Gold Getter. It's very similar. I think this might be a bit different than the one I got last time, but the packaging is from the same collection, but I think it might be a different one. I might have to check. I also got one of their face oils. I think this is the Soft and Shimmer Dry Oil. There we go. Yeah, one of these. But then the last thing I got in there, which I was so shocked about and so happy, is their Glow Milk highlighter. So I have wanted to try this. Obviously these have been rebranded and like repackaged, and I was like, I cannot believe they actually put one of these in here, because this is still classed as a brand new item. But I got the shade peer pressure. I thought it was like that has to say peer pressure, but I haven't got my glasses on. But peer pressure, of course. I'm so excited to try this because I love, obviously, highlighters, and I am appreciating liquid highlighters a lot more, but these have been known to be very, very good, so I am super duper excited. But that is everything. I thought I wouldn't get to the end, but I actually cannot believe how much I've picked up recently. I'm actually ashamed of myself and kind of realizing and kind of embarrassed that I've been spending so much money, but you know, it makes me happy, and I'm going to put this all to like good use on my face and use it up. But again, one of my resolutions is to just slow down on my buying and stop. But I do obviously have a lot of content for this channel, but let me know if you guys have picked up anything new recently, what you are loving, what you've not been enjoying, because I really want to know. I hope you have enjoyed this style of video. Maybe in the future I'll do it again. Maybe I won't accumulate so much and have to do this kind of video, but this is what's coming to the channel soon. I hope you guys are intrigued or excited or anything. Just let me know, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I film and upload every time I get a chance to, literally. Don't forget to follow me on any of my social medias, because I'm always active on there. You get to see what I'm up to on a daily basis. Most of the time I'm working, but that's just the life, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye.